Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you feeling today? I wish you will be enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5, and we are learning unit numbers 14, and its title is Traffic Issues. Yes, my dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given below. You may click it, download it, or you can amend it for your ease. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Our today's lecture number 3, under the title of Comprehension Skills, we will cover up page 124, 125 and 126. My dear students, before in English for grade 5, we have already learned about unit number 8, Major Raja Aziz Bhatti Shaheed. Already you have learned about it. I hope you remember it. If you may not, so you can watch this video lecture again. Our students' learning outcomes are: apply while reading strategies to interact with text, to use context, to infer missing words. Okay, now we are going to get that while reading, how we can infer missing words. Yes, my dear fellow teachers and my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Al-Quran, Surah Al-Sajdah, verse number 7, He who created all things in the best way, and He began the creation of man from clay. So yes, my dear students, this beautiful verse is telling us about the creation of human being, that how Allah Almighty has created us. Allah Almighty is saying that He created all things in a best way. So it means, my dear students, that all things that is created by Almighty Allah, all these things, those are natural things, and those are created in a best way. Okay, there is no competition, no competitor. We can't say that thing is not good, that thing is not okay. Everything is best in his own way. Okay, in its own way. So, and especially for man means all human beings. Okay, every human being Allah Almighty has created with clay. Okay, created with clay. Is it clear there? What is the creation of man? How is the creation of man? With clay. Allah Almighty is clearly explaining us. Okay, so are you ready for pre-reading questions? So let's refresh our knowledge. What is the main cause of road accidents? So yes, my dear students, already last day we have learned our half chapter. We have completed. Now we are going to learn our next half chapter. But before going to start, I want this question from you, that what is the main cause of road accidents? Pause the video, my dear teachers, and get answer from your students. Welcome back and excellent job. I hope you have done it. So let's see. We are going to start our chapter. Open your book, unit number 14. We are learning traffic issues. And today we will learn page number 124, and we will start from here, Shahroz. Okay, have you done with it? Good. Now we are going to start. Unfortunately, it wastes our valuable time. No action is taken to overcome this problem. Shahroz is saying that. Okay, and what Talha said, exactly. Nobody comes forward to solve the problem. The leading cause of traffic jam is rickshaws and motorbikes. Yes, my dear students, Talha and Shahroz was sharing traffic issues. Okay, so now they are saying that what is the main cause of traffic jam. So what they are explaining, they said that the main cause of traffic jam is rickshaws and motorbikes, because they are increasing day by day in numbers, and they are creating disturbance on the road. Okay, see there is a question for you. What are the main reasons of a traffic jam? Yes, so now I have already discussed what are the main reasons of a traffic jam. Welcome back, good job. There are other reasons too. Let's see which are these. And also another question is for you. Identify some of the vehicles that are the primary cause of traffic problems. Yes, identify. Good, excellent job. See next, what Shahroz said. Shahroz said, yes, we find hundreds of rickshaws and motorbikes blocking the road the whole day. It is mainly caused by people who try to overtake each other, carelessly. Taha, right. A considerable number of rickshaws and motorbikes on the narrow roads are contributing much to this problem. There are some other causes too. So now they are explaining what are the other causes, okay? Because there are, according to their thoughts, according to their point of view, the main cause is increasing number days by days in rickshaws and motorbikes. So how they are other? Because our roads are so narrow, okay? And when we try to overcome, to overtake, then it leads problems that to traffic jam. So see there, what does now Shahroz say? Yes, there are too many vehicles in proportion to our roads which are not wide enough. Mismanagement is also a significant factor in this problem. Now these all factors and all problems are caused, are created traffic jam, okay? Due to all these problems, what is happening? Yeah, traffic is jam. You're right, the unfavorable street conditions and violation of the traffic rules result in the jam in this city, okay? These all are that we have already got questions that what are the main causes and what are the other causes. These all are other causes, my dear students. Mismanagement of government, that there is no management, and narrow. Our roads are so narrow and they are not wide enough. And increasing in numbers. What are increasing in numbers? Motorbikes and rickshaws. So that's why when we try to overcome, when we face this problem. Yes, my dear student. See there? Of course, but how can we get rid of this curse? Now at the end they want solution that, okay, they are discussing that how we can get rid of this. I think that is this problem can be solved by properly managing of the traffic system. Illegal and unlicensed cars, buses and rickshaws should be stopped from running on the roads. Shahroz, exactly beside this, the roads should be widened and flyovers at the main crossing should be built. The drivers should be properly trained and be sufficient. Traffic police should be employed to control the traffic. These all are suggestions they are giving to each other and they are discussing that how they can overcome, okay, on this problem, how they can get rid of this problem. So what they are saying road should be widened, okay, and flyover should be built, that due to that we can move easily and it will save our time also. Here's a question for you. How can we avoid accidents? So how we can avoid accidents? When all these things will be available, definitely we will avoid accidents. So think and respond to your teacher that how can we avoid accidents? Excellent job. I hope you have searched and you have used your mind to respond the answer. Okay, let's see what Taha is saying. That's right. The authorities should develop all these measures to solve the traffic problems. Shahroz, thank you very much for your valuable suggestions. I'm going to the market. Allah Hafiz. Taha, you're most welcome. Allah Hafiz. See you again. So now they have moved there to their own business. Okay, now their conversation is ending now, but they said at the end of the dialogue, at the end of the discussion, what they did, they gave some suggestions also. First they discussed the whole problems, all problems, and after that they also gave some suggestions that how we can overcome all these issues, especially traffic issues. And traffic issues are, my dear students, in all cities, okay, even in the morning time, especially in morning time when we are getting school, when we are getting office, so we are being late due to this main issue is being faced by everyone. See, proposed reading question is there. Why should we follow traffic rules? So yes, my dear students, why should we follow traffic rules? Why it is compulsory that we must have to follow traffic rules? Good, excellent job. I hope you have done it. Okay, what lesson did you learn from the text? Yes, there is a question for you, my dear students. Now we have completed our complete text, complete unit. So what lesson you learned from this text? What you got that? Why these all things that mentioned in the lesson, why they were important and what we get. Good job, my dear students. Yes, we got about the sense of traffic issues, traffic rules, how we can follow and we can save our time and lives also. We can avoid accident even. So are you ready for activity, my dear students? Let's perform an activity. My dear teachers, be ready. Write few sentences on the board from the text. Recall the information you have read and write the missing words to complete the sentences. Engage whole class in this activity. Yes, my dear students, through this activity, there you have to infer the missing words. Okay, you have already read the text, but you can. Teacher will give you time. I'm giving you time. You should read again the text carefully. Teacher will write few sentences and they will be uncompleted. Okay, so you will have to infer missing words in the sentences. So yes, my dear teacher, pause the video, get this activity in your class. Welcome back, and I hope you have done with it, because you can easily adjust that how we can write a text if write a missing word, if that information is missing, so how we can complete it. Good job, my dear students. So now it's time to move to an individual activity on page number 126, my dear students. Question number 1, comprehension questions are there. Answer these questions. So my dear teachers, you have to get all these questions in their notebooks in neat and clean writing, with neat and clean writing. And in question number 2, you have to do on your book. I'm waiting for you. So you have to do in this, choose the correct option. So you will fill one bubble dust. Okay, as you get that this is the most like favorable and exact that answer. So I'm waiting for you, my dear teachers. Perform these activities individually in your class. Welcome back and good job, my dear students. I hope now you are able to do everything by self, because while teaching I already had discussed all these questions. Good job. So what's our homework for today? Write question number 2 given on book, page number 126 in your notebooks. There is a question, my dear students, question number 2 on your notebook. So this is for your today homework. You will write in your book, in notebooks, neat and clean writing. So yes, my dear teachers, this is worksheet. This worksheet link is given below. You should click it and provide it to your students in printed form, so that they might be able to get that how we can infer missing words. Okay, they will read all hidden words and they will fill the blanks. Okay, so what we have learned today? Today we learned to assume the missing words in the text. We learned to predict missing words according to the content, and in this way we have covered up our SLO. Apply while reading strategies to interact with the text, to use context to infer missing words. Yes, great job, and we have done with it. So I hope, my dear students, so today's lecture you have enjoyed and you have got that how we can complete the information by using missing words, actual words. So today the lecture is completed, my dear students. Tomorrow with a new lecture. See you soon, inshallah. Till that time, thank you so much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.